So today we're going to give Python the ability to choose between multiple options, not just yes or no. We do this using Elif, which means else if. Let's look at a real life situation again. If it's Monday, you start fresh. Elif is Friday, you're excited for the weekend. Else, it's just a normal day. Python follows exact pattern. Let's say score equals 85. If score is greater or equal to 90, print A. Elif score is greater than or equals 80. Print B. Elif score is greater than or equal to 70. Print C. Then else, print D. Let me explain this first. Python checks if the score is greater than or equal to 90. If that is false, it checks the 80 condition. If that is false, it checks the 70 condition. If all of them are false, else runs. Let's do a more fun one. Let's say day equals Monday. If day is exactly Monday, print start strong. Elif day is exactly Friday. Print almost weekend. Else print keep going. A quick reminder, indentation still matters. Each block must be lined up correctly or Python gets confused. Now your challenge. Ask the user for the temperature. If it's above 30, print hot. If it's between 20 and 30, print warm. Else, print cold. Then jump on waala.dev and test your answer. Real coders learn by doing so. See you tomorrow.